Coach Vincent, how do I pick a niche or a topic to start my YouTube channel as a kid or a teen? Now that's a great question that even I asked myself when I first started doing YouTube many years ago. And here's the funny thing, we actually know what is the hobby, topic, or niche that we already enjoy, but we ended up avoiding those is because we feel we know too much of it that we don't dare to make videos to explain to other people. So instead we start taking our invincible binoculars and try to look far ahead. What are some of the hobbies, interest topics that we could potentially start that we have less a clue of? Now this is the funny thing is that because we tend to complicate things more than we should instead of just doing something simple that people will enjoy. So how do you pick a niche or hobby or an interest to grow a YouTube channel? Just look into what are the things that you already enjoy doing. Now this includes the type of videos that you constantly watch in the interest of yours and try to do exactly the same type of video but at your level. And this is usually where you get a little bit scared because you're trying exactly the same type of video that you watch of other creators that has hundreds and thousands of views. And you might be thinking, let me try to make another type of video that nobody does so that you can get hundreds of thousands of views for that specific type of video as well. Chances are it's not gonna happen because in today's world of doing YouTube, there's so many types of videos that is out there, and no matter what kind of video that you do, you'll be competing with somebody who already has hundreds of thousands of views on each video anyways. So instead of trying to shy away from things that you are naturally the best at, try instead to tell yourself that you can do it as well. That's the mindset that you need to grow irregardless of what niche, hobby, or interest that you pick your channel's focus. And once you're good with that, then you're ready to move on to things like how to make a proper video, type of keywords that you should write, the thumbnail that you should be making. Those are the parts that usually people don't know what to do, but you actually have to learn. And if you're interested to learn that, then you can consider joining my free one-month program. Link is in the description down below. And here's another video that you might be interested to watch to help you grow as a creator. So if you're